Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to Creative Tool School. My name is Vincent. Today I want to show you this tool that you can use to change your voice. Are you a streamer, a gamer, a Discord user, or YouTube content creator? You can change your voice with this particular tool. Do you want to sound like a robot or an alien or chipmunk in your voices, in your videos and streams? Today, I'm going to show you Voicemod, the free real-time voice changer that is perfect for creators. Real-time voice changer and soundboard for Windows. Work with any app like Discord, Zoom, games, OBS. This changes your mic voice instantly as you speak. Two versions. So you got free version, rotating voices, and pro all voices plus full soundboard. Many creators love this. You got over 100 plus voice filters, characters, effects, monsters. Got soundboard with hotkeys, perfect for stream reactions. Create custom voices with Voice Lab with Pro feature and seamless integration. Set it up once and it works anywhere. This tool is ideal for gamers, streamers, Discord users, video creators. Now we're going to jump right in voicemod.net. Select enter. Voicemod. This is the website here. Voicemod, voice changer. You got soundboard, Voicemod key, creator tools, download for free, my account, real-time voice changer and soundboard. Boost the way you sound with your squad wherever you hang out using the leading real-time AI voice changer and soundboard. Download for free for Windows 10, 11, and Mac OS. And it works wherever you hang out online and not only in voice app like Discord but also in-game voice chats. Change your voice, become anyone. To set this up, you select download. Most important thing is for you to download this from the main website to avoid viruses. So, ready to explore the sound, enter your Discord account or enter your Twitch account or enter your Google account or more sign up. Then you put your email address. Then they will email you a magic code for password free sign up. So we're going to put the email address. So put your email address. Then select continue with email. Enter your magic code. So check your email address. So check your email address. Then you select the code. Thank you for joining Voicemod. And it will start download. Download started. So you go on the right side on the top, Voicemod installer. Open it up. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. Then you select your language, English, then select OK. Voicemod, take control of your voice. Then you select next. Agree to terms and condition. Then select next. Setup will install Voicemod into the following folder. Then you select the folder. Can select browse. So it will show you where the folder program file. Then you select OK. Then select next. Then select next. Click to install to continue installation. So select install. It's getting the file ready. Please wait while setup install Voicemod on your computer. This may take a few minutes. Now it's extracting the file, installing Voicemod. Mic. And it show you all is good. completion, the voice mode setup wizard. Then select setup has finished installing voice mode on your computer. The application may be launched by selecting install shortcut. Then select finish. Now it's getting started, and this is the shortcut here. Downloading updates, installation update. Now running main app. Then select get started. Then you put your email address to sign in. Select continue. Then it will send you a code. Copy the code, then paste the code, success. Then you select open voice mode. Plug in your headphone for ultimate sound. Then you select next. Then it will show you select the mic. Then you select next. You have just created your new visual microphone. Then select start using voice mode. This is it here. And if you go to the side, so now I can see voice mode detected, headphone. Then if you go to the side, unlock your voice. You can get pro. This is voices, voice lab. Can edit and create and share infinite voice with voice lab. Go to the settings as well. So if you go to the settings, it show you the microphone and also the headphone. You see the general, headphone, e-binder, overlay, general. You also have option for you to select go to pro version. You select pro version, then you unlock voice mode pro. You have £3.99 a month or annual, £1.99 a month, or one-time payment 99.99 GB, depending on country you reside. I live in United Kingdom, so the price is showing us GB, Great British Pound. So this current one is free version. You can also turn voice changer off. Turn hear myself on. No active voice sound. You can also clean your mic. You can also reset it. So this is how to sign up voice mode community. Unlock your voice, get pro version. You see the community, soundboard. My first soundboard. You have magic chords, honk, fat, sad, drone. Can add keybind. Can go to the settings, mixer mode as well. This is best mode. You have general, overlay. If you want to reset it, reset it. So basically, this is how to install and information you need to know in terms of sound code. You also have the extension, Voicemod Live X Twitch, Voicemod Overlay, OBS Overlay, Control API, Voicemod Controller, Stream Deck plugin. These are the features you can add, tools and extended tools extension. Then you go to the setting. So you can tweak this, you can adjust it according to how you prefer the input and the voice, sound, and headphone. You also have advanced settings, noise gate, background noise reduction. Can also on as well. So these are voices. You have trauma, media, leap mode. So this is how to sign up or how to download Voicemod to your computer. Thank you very much indeed.